Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? Fellas up. We're not just talking, we actually living it. Great granddad's day on my dry fast. Can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm on day 6. We're going to talk about that in a minute. But if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do this by sending us a DM at Healing Through Inspiration on Instagram. If you aren't following us there, we post on a regular. We got our business course for those who want to start a business. We don't have one, but we do have a business and further want to enhance it. We got our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. And we also got our one-of-a-kind apparel at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Looking at myself and a reflection. But yeah, it's day 6. Furthest I've ever gone with a dry fast before. It's twice the distance I've gone before. I'm doing this right now. Believe it or not, I was up earlier doing laundry for hours. Dang near washed all my clothes. Had to wash and bleach them. I even washed my dog's bed. It's a lot. You know, the internet's out. And then it's sending my signals out too. My LG. So I can't get work done. It has to be done online. I can't upload to YouTube. I can't join the 10X challenge meeting like I'm supposed to right now. I've been trying it for like a whole day. Talk to the people at the front. They said they're gonna try to contact Comcast, and they're gonna do something about it. So I'm missing out on a lesson. VIP access. It's kind of much of a bummer. Oops. Book came today. Garden with less water. I will not lie about this dry fast. A lot of times it just feels better to not talk. But I want to express myself. And I know you guys want to know how I'm feeling. Especially what's going on during this dry fast. I was thinking about going to the store to go return these dog bones. My dog does not like them. He has not even chewed on them. He just don't like them. I'm like, dang. Think about going to the store, ask some agave come in the mail. Think about going to the store, and then I go to the other store, get some water. I was like, do I feel like carrying that? I get a case or do I just get a liter? And I get some tea bags, some dried strawberries, freezer dried, so then when I have some strawberry drinks with a blender when I make it, you know what I'm saying? This is after my fast. I've been thinking about crap and drinks and whatnot. I was thinking about going to sleep. It's like, hey, get a little bit of rest. I think I dozed off for like a few minutes. A muscle sore like in my hip, hamstring, up top. I've been exerting myself. One thing I can say is, oh, I feel that. Ah, yeah, right here in my hip. One thing I can say, I was surprised about how much stuff I'm getting done during this dry fast. It's honestly amazing. But when I did wake up today, I had I woke up to some filth, stench, narcissist. Smell like sewer water or made of sewer water. So, but I woke up with some temptations, strong temptations, like I wanted some ice cold water, some ice cold drinks. I've been buying a lot of drinks and stuff on Amazon. I bought like 12 packs of coconut milk, two large bottles of grape juice, unsweetened applesauce. Yeah, but think about get some watermelon. I gotta go to the store to get some. I want to get some watermelon, and I don't want to have it waiting to turn and spoils by the time I eat it. You know what I'm saying? And I want to do something else with it. Ugh. I think I got like a cramp when I move my hip. Or it's like some soreness, but you can't drink water. I don't know if it's a cramp. Yeah, I'm gonna use this time to heal, relax. I think that's what it's meant to do. It's really like pampering my body. It's just yet I'm still trying to do so much stuff. I am getting a lot of stuff done though, while I can. Especially in this sequence. I'm on day 6. 4 more days to go. Hopefully I get a lot of rest so it just go by fast. But yeah, y'all guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration or send us an email info@healingthroughinspiration.com with the subject coaching. Get with our business course. Support our artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Or you also can get our amazing apparel, hats, caps, socks, shirts, hoodies. Yeah, go ahead and check us out. Sorry. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Peace, love, and light. Bless.